National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County, northwestern Pickaway County, Madison County, western Licking County, Franklin County, northern Fayette County, northwestern Fairfield County, Delaware County, northeastern Clinton County, eastern Clark County, extreme southeastern Champaign County, until 1 a.m. At 12:08 a.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from 28 miles north of Essex to Broadway to Brookwalter, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Storm hazards include damaging winds to 70 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Plain City, West Jefferson, Mount Sterling, Dublin, Hilliard, Delaware, Powell, Upper Arlington, Ashley, Worthington, Grove City, Polaris. In addition, Unionville Center, Nudover, Magnetic Springs, Madison Mills, Madison Lake, Chinook, Watkins, and Ostrander are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile marker 69 and 121, Interstate 71 between mile marker 62 and 139. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.